Hello kids, welcome back to another session. In today's session, we are going to do questions based on minus 7's formula. Okay, so what is the formula of minus 7? It is minus 10 plus 3. Where am I going to apply this formula? Wherever I won't have enough bits left to do minus 7. Okay. Ma'am, how will I know that where I will not have enough bits left to do minus 7? We'll see in the question. Okay, we will be doing B row in the class. A row is your homework, right? So B row first question at 3. Added 3. Now plus 7. Plus 7 I know. I don't have enough beats to do plus 7. I will apply the formula of plus 7, that is plus 10 minus 3. Then minus 7. Now here we don't have beats to do minus 7, right? Can you see any minus 7 beats here? 7 beats to do minus 7? No. So here I will apply the formula like every other number when I don't have beats to add or subtract it. Similarly, when I will not have beats to add or subtract minus 7, I will apply its formula, that is minus 10 plus 3. Now plus 8. Formula plus 10 minus 2. My answer is 11. Why did I apply the 8's formula? Because my formula of 8 is plus 10 minus 2 and I didn't had enough bits to do plus 8. Next question. Plus 1 plus 9. Do I have enough bits to do 9? No. So what will I do? Apply the formula of 9, that is plus 10 minus 1 and then minus 7. Again no bits to do minus 7, so we will apply the formula we learned today, that is minus 10 plus 3 and then plus 6. My answer is 9. Next, 11 minus 1 minus 7. Do I have enough bits to do minus 7? Clearly, no. So what is the formula of minus 7? Minus 10 plus 3 and then plus 4. Do I have enough bits to do plus 4? No. So formula of plus 4 is plus 5 minus 1. So my answer is 7. Next, 14 minus 4 minus 7. Do I have enough bits to do minus 7 now? No. So my formula of minus 7 is minus 10 plus 3 and then plus 5. My answer is 8. We are not just applying minus 7's formula here, but we are also applying other formulas, okay? It's just that we have learned the minus 7 formula today. Next, last question. 13 minus 2 minus 7. No beats for minus 7, so I will apply the formula of minus 7, that is minus 10 plus 3. Then plus 6. No beats to do plus 6, so I will apply the formula of 6, that is plus 10 minus 4. So my final answer is 10. Okay. So kids, complete your A row in the homework and drop the answers in the comments. I'll see you in the next class now. Bye bye.